AI isn't just about what it does. It's also about what it doesn't let through. Let's talk about threat detection and message blocking. Hey, I'm Willis, and this week's Copilot Tip of the Week is all about how to track what your agent is blocking and why that matters more than you think. Security Analytics. Inside Copilot Studio, head to the Security Analytics view. You'll see blocked threats, policy violations, and content moderation issues. It's all visual with a reason for block chart that makes it clear exactly what's being stopped and what the major threat areas are. Spot the trends. Check the session block rate trend to see when spikes happen, what's triggering them, and how often users are hitting security rules. Spikes may indicate a breach attempt or someone probing your defenses. Good security is like good AI. It quietly does the work. But great security, it gives you the receipts. Now you've got the data to stay ahead of any threats. And that's your Copilot Tip of the Week. Until next time, stay smart and stay secure.